All right, here is why most people don't make any money online. It's time for some real talk. If you are watching this video, I'm assuming that you are somebody who is looking for a way to make money online, or you have been struggling to make money online. Now, there are tons of ways of doing this, right? There's being a YouTuber, right? Being a blogger. There is affiliate marketing, network marketing. There's drop shipping. There's starting your own t-shirt company. There's creating your own products, right? There's tons of different ways. And with all that being said, there's still tons of people who aren't making any money doing any of these things. So why is that? Why is that? Why is it so hard for people to make any money? And I've been thinking about this the last few days, and I've come to a conclusion. All right, I've come to a real reason why I feel most people fail when it comes to making money online. And it's a simple reason. All right, that reason is most people aren't willing to do a task or a job without the guarantee of pay. All right. Now let me say that one more time. Most people aren't willing to do a task or a job without the guarantee of pay. Now what I'm talking about is most people was brought up, including myself, right? Whenever you in high school, you graduate, go to college, whatever, you want a high paying job, right? Even whenever you apply for a job, what do you want to know? What do most people want to know when they apply for a job? How much I'm getting paid, right? How much I'm getting paid an hour? 15, 20, 30, 40. There's always an exchange, right? Like I work this hour, I get paid this amount of money, right? That's how it goes. That's how it works. And that's how most people are brought up. That's how most people think, like, yo, I want to make $30 an hour, $50 an hour, right? And that's fine. The problem is when it comes to making money online, you're basically saying that you are an entrepreneur, right? You want to be your own boss. You want to be able to determine how much money you can make, right? You want to have an unlimited cap on your income. Because that's the thing when it comes to like a lot of these jobs, your regular job, traditional job, you know, in most cases there's a cap, right? There's an earning cap. Yeah, you can get raises over you know, a certain amount of time, but there's a lot of jobs out there you're gonna get cut off at some point. Like you know, you can't just make all of this money, you know, endless income in a lot of these jobs, right? Now, when it comes to the make money online world, right, there is no cap. Like you can literally make as much money as possible. But what hurts people, what hurts most people is, I would say like 95% of the ways that there are to make money online involves you doing things where you are not guaranteed to make any money. So I'll use YouTube for an example, right? A lot of people want to be YouTubers. A lot of people either want to sell stuff on YouTube or get their channel monetized, right? So in a perfect world, you could say, yo, I want to be a YouTuber, and for every video I upload, I'm going to get $5, no matter what, whether it's good, bad, whatever, right? That's in the perfect world. That's a job, right? And you can sit there and say, if I get $5 for every video upload, and I uploaded, say, 5 videos an hour, 8 hours a day, boom, right? Look at the money I'll be making. That's dope. That's $25 an hour. You know what I'm saying? 8 hours a day, whoop-de-woo, right? Wrong. You know what I'm saying? Like if you want to be a YouTuber, the truth is, the reality is, you might have to put out 100 videos before you see a damn dime. That is a fact. You might could do it in 10 videos. It might take your ass 1,000 videos, right? The point is, you have to be willing to put in the effort, right? With the realization that that effort might not pay off. Like that's what you have to to internalize. Now, keeping it real, if you find something, you find a way you want to make money online with, and you really learn how to do it, you take it serious and you dedicate time, there is a very, 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 very high probability that you will earn some money. That's just my opinion, right? But what happens is most people aren't willing to do things without, you know, that compensation guaranteed. That's reality. And not just YouTube, affiliate marketing. A lot of people want to get into affiliate marketing. They're like, oh, that's cool. That's dope. With affiliate marketing, you can make a shit ton of money. Limitless, right? But, you know what I'm saying? It might take you 6 months before you get your first $100 commission. That's a possibility. You know what I'm saying? And the question is, you got to ask yourself, are you willing to promote this opportunity consistently and seriously for 6 months, 3 months, 9 months? If you are willing to do that, you are on the right path. You are on the right track to being successful. The problem is most people get hyped up on the idea of making money online, being your own boss and all that. But as soon as it's time to put in some effort, it's like, yeah, but what am I getting out of return? Oh, I put up 5 videos and I ain't making no money yet. I ain't getting no sales. You know what I'm saying? That's part of the game. You gotta understand that. Or, you know, I've been promoting this affiliate product for this amount of time. I ain't made no money. That's part of the game. You know what I'm saying? You have to understand that. Okay, switch things up. Try something different. Try a different method, because affiliate marketing does work. Network marketing does work. YouTube does work. Creating your own damn products and selling them does really work. Drop shipping really works. People are making a lot of money doing these things, but these are the people that don't quit. These are the people that actually believe in the business model. They believe in what they're doing. And that's why they are successful, right? They understand, like, look, I got to put this grind in. I'm going to make it happen. I'm going to make this money. I'm not going to quit. That's how you become successful. Be willing to put in some real effort without the guarantee of pay. That's the secret to making money online. You are the type of person that's like, look, I work hourly. You know what I'm saying? Like, I ain't doing nothing without no compensation. You know what I'm saying? I need to see that money for whatever I do. Then that's fine. Get you a normal job, even to get you a work from home job. There's a lot of work from home jobs that pay hourly, straight up. A lot of good ones too. But you have to decide that before you start talking about, oh, I want to be my own boss. I want to be a YouTuber. I want to be an affiliate marketer. I want to create my products, all that. I'm telling you. You know what I'm saying? You're going to have to be willing to do a lot of work with no pay. You know what I'm saying? But you should feel confident knowing the work that you do today will pay off in the long run.